tight. To laughter and long nights we left behind. We were young.